Are you intrigued by the explosive growth of blockchain technology? The demand for skilled blockchain developers in America is skyrocketing, offering a lucrative career filled with opportunities. To embark on this journey, begin with the fundamentals of programming. Engaging with languages such as JavaScript, Python, Solidity, and Go will be your stepping stone. These languages are essential for creating robust blockchain applications and smart contracts, forming the backbone of decentralized systems. Next, immerse yourself in the intricacies of blockchain technology. Understanding how decentralized networks function is crucial. Delve into the world of cryptography, consensus mechanisms, and the various components that make up cryptocurrencies. Familiarize yourself with Bitcoin and Ethereum to grasp their underlying principles, ensuring you have a solid foundation before progressing further. The third step focuses on mastering smart contract development. Smart contracts are revolutionary tools enabling self-execution of agreements without intermediaries. Learn Solidity, the core language for Ethereum smart contracts, and practice building your own contracts on test networks. This hands-on approach will equip you with the skills necessary to navigate the blockchain landscape efficiently. Building real-world projects is where your learning begins to materialize. Create decentralized applications, dApps, launch NFT projects, or develop crypto wallets. Engaging in practical projects not only enhances your understanding, but also helps in assembling a remarkable portfolio that showcases your abilities to potential employers. Transitioning into Web3 development is essential for modern blockchain developers. Grasp how blockchain interacts with websites and applications, utilizing tools such as Web3.js and Ethers.js. By mastering these technologies, you position yourself as a complete Web3 developer, ready to tackle the latest innovations in the field. Earning certifications and participating in blockchain communities will elevate your profile. Enroll in reputable courses and take part in hackathons or open-source projects. Networking within these communities can lead to valuable internships or job openings in a competitive job market. Therefore, building relationships and collaborating with other developers is vital for career advancement. Finally, begin applying for positions in the blockchain domain. Titles such as Junior Blockchain Developer or Smart Contract Developer are excellent starting points. Whether pursuing remote work or on-site positions, the remuneration for these roles is impressive, ranging from $80,000 to over $150,000 for seasoned professionals. Your expertise in blockchain could place you at the forefront of this transformative technological revolution, propelling you into a prosperous career.